Jason, we're just going to do a quick video today. I'm just waiting for someone to come back. So how are we today?
Good, how are you?
Never better.
What makes you so good?
Jeans.
You like your jeans?
Yep, I have the best jeans. What makes you so good?
I didn't say I was good.
You said you were.
Probably because I'm eating unhealthy.
Looks delicious though. Other than the tomatoes and the mayo.
You're not a tomato guy?
Not a tomato guy.
Or a mayo guy?
Or a mayo guy.
What don't you like about it?
Flavor, texture. If you put some peanut butter on that, I'd be in heaven. It's the best. Hi, Nate.
Hi, boy.
Get out of my frame, Nate.
Okay.
Wow.
Got it.
That was intense.
It was intense. I'm sorry to have to put you through that.
God damn it.
Oh, wow. Oh, no. We actually had someone comment asking where are all the hiccups, something like that. And I just said, just wait. Just wait. Nate, the hiccups are back. The hiccups are back.
How was that, Jason? Did you taste it?
On that note, any closing words?